Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and from this video we are going to start a new series of Android development. So from now we will be building a new Android app. It will be a chatting app, and this video is the demo video of how our app will look and how it will work. And from next video we will code this in Kotlin and we will use Firebase for the backend. And if you want to buy the source code of this app, you can DM me on Telegram, and also don't forget to join my Telegram group. In that group we can discuss about the problems and what project you need in future. So that's it. Now let's start the demo. So let's open the app. My app name is chitchat, and when the app runs, firstly you will see a splash screen, and then you will go to a login page where you have to enter your mobile number. And for now I have added some sample numbers on my Firebase, so I will enter those number. And if the number is less than 10 digit and we try to continue, it will say it is a invalid number. And then if I enter 10 digit number and click on continue, it will send me an OTP. And as this is a sample number, so OTP is already received by me. So the OTP is 6-digit number, and if I write less than 6 digit, it will show me an error. So let me enter wrong OTP first. You can see enter a valid OTP toast here. Now if I enter the valid OTP, and hence my OTP is verified and I am logged in successfully, and then I will enter my username. If I keep my username empty, it will show me an error. And so let's enter my username. I will enter developer Pawan Singh as my username, and then I will click on continue. You can see now I am on my home screen. Currently I don't have any chats because this is my new ID I have created to show you all, but I have already tested this app with so many IDs. So let me search some IDs. Like if I write here Rahul and click on search, you can see it is showing me the ID of Rahul. We can search any user of the app through the search option, and if I click on Rahul's, so I can directly DM Rahul. Let's write hello Rahul, developer Pawan Singh here, and I click on send. So here you can see this type of messages will be sent to Rahul, and if I go back to the home screen, you can see now Rahul is visible. Also the last message which we sent to Rahul is also visible, and the timestamp on the time which we sent to the Rahul is also visible. So currently you can see in my bottom navigation view, if I go to profile, you can see my profile there, and there are multiple options given. We will explore it later. So now let me log in to another device so that we can chat in real time, and I will show you how the app works. So this is our second device. Let me quickly log into it. So you can see in this device I will log in with name Shiva and click on continue. And as I told you, I have already tested this app. So Shiva already have chatted with two persons. And in the bottom navigation view, if you go to our profile section, here you can see we have Shiva here, and the mobile number is shown and logout option is shown. And if you go again back to the chat section, you can see our chats. So now if I search for the device 1, here if I write developer, even if I write half name, it will show me the name related to that name. So you can see developer Pawan Singh is showing here. If I click on it and if I send a message, firstly let me type a message here. So let's write hello sir and click on send button. You can see after I send, immediately I have received a message on my first device, and it is also showing an online status. And if I go back in my second device, you can see an online status in developer Pawan Singh also. So now let's start chatting and let's show you how this works. So if I reply from first device, hello Shiva, how are you? And click on send, and you can see in the second device I have received the message immediately. And if I reply here, I am good sir, you can see the messages are so real time without any latency. The messages are being received if I write anything. So you can see if I go back, and in device 1 also you can see online batch in both the chats because both the devices are online. And if I go online with first device, the online batch on second device is gone. And if I come back online, you can see the online batch on the second device for the first user. So now let's test the notification feature of the app. So if I keep my first device on background, so I will receive the notification if the second device send me any message. So let's do that. And if I send a message from the second device, let the message be hello sir, and it is a test notification. And then I click on send button, and if I check the notification on my first device, then remove this notification. So you can see this notification we have received from app chit chat, and the message is also shown. And if I click on the notification, the app will immediately run and it will take to our home screen, and then we can see the message. So that's it. And now let's close the second device. We have already shown the demo from both the device. If I go back, you can see if I go to the profile section, you can see there are multiple options. If I firstly change my username, let's write it Pawan Singh, and I click on OK, then my username will be changed. So let's do it. You can see now my username is changed to Pawan Singh from developer Pawan Singh. And if I click on logout option, which is at the bottom here, you can see my device is logged out, and immediately splash screen will open, and then we will go to the login page. So that's all for the demo video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And from the next videos, we will be building this app using Kotlin language and Firebase as backend technology. And also you can join my Telegram channel. If you have any query, we can discuss it there regarding this app. Also, you can publish this app on Play Store and earn money using ads and other features. So if you like my content, then you can consider joining my channel membership. And also there is option of super chats, and there are certain features for joining the membership. You can read it on my channel. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to save this playlist for the latest news. Whenever I will upload the video, you will get the notification that I have uploaded video, and you can check it out. So thank you guys.